Hey guys, so we have the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, and it wants us to find f prime of x using the definition of derivative. This is the definition of derivative. It's f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So let's solve for this. Let's copy this stuff down, and then f of x plus h means we're going to plug in x plus h everywhere that we see an x. So it's going to look just like this. X plus h goes in for this x, and x plus h goes in for this x. And next thing we subtract, and the thing we're going to subtract is f of x. It's this thing right here, the 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. We're literally just plugging that in for f of x. And then divide everything by h. Let's copy this stuff down again. So let's look at this first bracket and clean it up a little bit. So x plus h squared is equal to x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then we're going to distribute the 2 to both of these. That's where we get the 2x plus 2h. And then we just bring down the 1. And then for this bracket, let's distribute the negatives. So we have negative 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. And everything is still over h. Copy this stuff down again, and let's distribute the 3 to all three of these. 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared. All the rest of this is already simplified, so we'll just copy it down. And then bring down the divided by h. Copy this down, and then we have a 3x squared and a negative 3x squared. Those are going to cancel each other out. We have a 2x and a negative 2x. Those are going to cancel each other out. We have a 1 and a negative 1. Those are going to cancel each other out. Now let's copy down the 6xh, the 3h squared, and the 2h, and that's all still going to be divided by h. We can divide top and bottom of this by h, which cancel out 1h from each term and the h on bottom. That simplifies into the limit as h approaches 0 of 6x plus 3h plus 2. Well, if we plug in 0 for the h, this 3 times 0 is going to go away. So f prime of x for this function right here is just 6x plus 2. How exciting.